Welcome, Moonbow kids! Today, Moonbow brother and Rainbow sister are visiting a magical toy workshop where toys come to life. Let's see what exciting adventures await. Moonbow brother and Rainbow sister received a magical invitation to visit the toy workshop, a place where toys were made and enchanted. They were thrilled to see the magic behind their favorite toys. At the workshop, they were greeted by Tinkertoy, the cheerful toy maker, who showed them around. They saw toys being crafted and enchanted, each one more magical than the last. Tinkertoy revealed that the workshop's magical toy engine, which powered all the enchantments, had broken down. Without it, the toys couldn't be magically brought to life. Moonbow brother and Rainbow sister agreed to help fix the engine. They explored various parts of the workshop, solving puzzles and gathering magical tools to repair the engine. They found the missing parts and repaired the engine, restoring its magical power. The toys came to life, and the workshop sparkled with joy. To celebrate, Tinkertoy and the Enchanted Toys put on a magical show. Moonbow brother and Rainbow sister enjoyed the performance and joined in the fun. Moonbow brother and Rainbow sister learned that helping others can bring joy and magic into our lives. Thanks for visiting the Magical Toy Workshop, Moonbow kids. Keep playing and spreading happiness. See you next time.